Oh, that's a big bite.
That's a little too big, huh? Oh, take your fingers out. Okay. You alright?
Yeah.
Alright, is that it? That was our adventure today in avocado.